In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover deleted messages and chats on WhatsApp. First of all, open the WhatsApp application. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. So on WhatsApp, you'll not be able to find the direct option for recovering the deleted messages and chats. For that, what you have to do is restore from the cloud backup. But in order to restore, what you have to do is simply uninstall the WhatsApp and install it again on your phone. But before doing that, you need to make sure your chat is backed up. So for that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, tap on this option settings. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option chats. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for chat backup. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the last backup over here. You can tap on this option backup in order to back up all the chats. Now after you do that, what you have to do is go back. Now uninstall the WhatsApp on your device. For that, close the WhatsApp application, find the WhatsApp in the app library and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option uninstall that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option OK. Now the WhatsApp has been uninstalled. Now go to the Play Store. If you're using the Apple device, go to App Store. After you do that, tap on the search icon, tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in WhatsApp over here. Now search for it. Tap on this option WhatsApp, tap on this option install. Now wait for a while. Now after the WhatsApp is installed, open it. Now you'll be able to log into your account. Tap on this option agree and continue. Now log into your account like you would normally do. Now once you log into your account, you'll be able to see this kind of pop-up. So what you have to do is give the permission to WhatsApp in order to restore the previously backed up chats and messages. Tap on this option give permission that you can see on the screen. Now choose an account to continue. Simply tap on the account that you used to back up. Now allow the WhatsApp Messenger access to your Google account by tapping on this option continue. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find two options, restore from backup, transfer from old phone. What you have to do is tap on this option, restore from backup, and tap on the option continue. After you do that, follow through the prompts and all of your backup will be restored, including the deleted chats and messages. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you restore deleted chats and messages on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.